Starting around 31 October 2023, basically spell exceptionally token, most certainly is exchanging at $0.000482664 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Spell sort of has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $51,838,432, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,220,399 in an unobtrusive manner. This generally makes spell really token, spell, truly positioning at 368 in the digital money market, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the spell essentially token cost forecast finish of 2023, what will truly spell really token for the most part be genuinely worth in 2023, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is in a real sense spell kind of token an excellent venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they especially thought? Will basically spell cost all things considered outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is very critical? These sort of are really spell extremely token cost expectations for spell's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Spell really token, spell, value expectation 2023 as per the spell pretty symbolic gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the spell cost in every practical sense is supposed to all things considered cross an especially normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal for the most part least value worth of truly spell commonly token toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to explicitly be $0.0005495, which is genuinely huge. Besides, for the most part spell can by and large arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.000592828 in an especially significant manner. Spell sort of token, spell, value conjecture August 2023. The spell certainly token, spell, cost for August 2023 may generally arrive at an essentially least worth of $0.000452774, while the extremely greatest gauge cost most certainly is around $0.0005094, which by and large is very huge. The especially normal cost for especially spell fundamentally is for the most part anticipated to really reach $0.000495119 in August 2023 in a by and large significant manner. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of for the most part spell genuinely token basically is determined to generally be at around a base worth of $0.000491442 by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The spell especially token value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $0.000529114, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars, showing how truly is fundamentally spell extremely token, a genuinely wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Spell especially token, spell, value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of most certainly spell pretty token truly anticipated to basically arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.000549774 and a really least of $0.000511558. Spell truly token, spell, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, in a real sense spell kind of symbolic cost explicitly is estimate to in every way that really matters, arrive at an in a real sense, the most minimal cost of $0.000527449, or so they truly thought. The spell cost could generally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0.0005796, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0.000546636 in a truly significant manner. Spell kind of token, spell, value figure December 2023. The spell truly token, spell, cost for December 2023 may arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.000549535, while the very greatest determined cost truly is around $0.000592828. Further appearance how generally spell especially token, spell, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023. Sort of spell genuinely token cost certainly is gauged to arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $0.0005274.9 in a kind of significant manner. The sort of typical cost for generally spell is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Spell truly token pretty past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto truly has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 0.6% in its for the most part current worth, exhibiting how this in every way that really matters makes by and large spell truly token, spell, by and large positioning at 368 in the digital money market in a kind of huge manner. Assuming we sort of look at the especially current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, showing that in a real sense is explicitly spell in every way that really matters. Token is sort of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner. Spell really token truly is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. The spell certainly is down to nearly 1.79% in the truly most recent 7 days, showing how besides basically spell can arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.000598828, which essentially is genuinely critical. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past commonly couple of days. The coin could by and large have serious areas of strength for truly yet. We don't truly feel that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, exhibiting how especially spell kind of token, spell, value expectation 2023, as per the spell token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the spell cost especially is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.0005681, the normal for the most part least value worth of sort of spell, sort of token toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to generally be $0.000549335 in a quite enormous manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of by and large spell generally diminished by 39.168%, dispensing with an incredible sort of typical amount of $0.000310776 from its by and large current worth, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a fundamentally decent, certainly purchase an open door for extremely speedy venture, which especially shows that especially spell genuinely token, spell, value estimate October 2023. For October 2023 the cost of generally spell truly token basically is certainly anticipated to arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $0.000549774 and at least $0.00051